Today,
we go to the zoo.
Today, we go to the zoo. The zoo is very big. The zoo is very big.
Look, I see a lion. Look, I see a lion.
The lion is very strong. The lion is very strong. Ha ha ha! Look at him.
The elephant is so big.
Oh.
The elephant is so big.
The elephant drinks water with its trunk. The elephant drinks water with its trunk.
We see a tall giraffe.
Giraffe.
We see a tall giraffe.
Mia feeds the giraffe. Mia feeds the giraffe.
The monkeys are so funny. The monkeys are so funny.
One monkey copies Mia. One monkey copies Mia.
We walk to the penguin house. We walk to the penguin house.
The penguins swim very fast. The penguins swim very fast. The
Penguin walks like this. The penguin walks like this.
The zebra has black and white stripes. The zebra has black and white stripes.
The parrot can talk. The parrot can talk.
The parrot says hello to Frank. The parrot says hello to Frank.
We eat lunch at the zoo. We eat lunch at the zoo.
Mia eats ice cream. Mia eats ice cream.
Now we see the hippo. Now we see the hippo.
The hippo opens its mouth so wide. The hippo opens its mouth so wide.
The flamingos are pink and beautiful. The flamingos are pink and beautiful. Mia stands on one leg like a flamingo. Mia stands on one leg like a flamingo.
The snake is very long. The snake is very long.
Sarah is a little scared. Sarah is a little scared.
We watch the dolphin show. We watch the dolphin show.
The dolphin jumps so high. The dolphin jumps so high.
We buy a toy at the gift shop. We buy a toy at the gift shop.
Mia hugs her new toy lion. Mia hugs her new toy lion.
The zoo is amazing.
Amazing.
The zoo is amazing.
We
We'll come back.
again. We will come back again.